friends, welcome to our exciting and fun-filled kids YouTube channel Little Sparks.
English alphabets, small a to small z. Small a, heart. Small a is in heart. Small b, comb. Small b is in comb. Small c, watch. Small c is in watch. Small d, cold. Small d is in cold. Small e, read. Small e is in read. Small f, roof. Small f is in roof. Small g, cage. Small g is in cage. Small h, English. Small h is in English. Small I, window. Small I is in window. Small j, object. Small j is in object. Small k, cake. Small k is in cake. Small l, milk. Small l is in milk. Small m, animal. Small m is in animal. Small n, dance. Small n is in dance. Small o, zoo. Small o is in zoo. Small p, cap. Small p is in cap. Small q, equal. Small q is in equal. Small r, short. Small R is in short. Small S. Forest. Small S is in forest. Small T. Winter. Small T is in winter. Small U. Hunter. Small U is in hunter. Small V. Wave. Small V is in wave. Small W. Crow. Small W is in crow. Small X. Fox. Small X is in fox. Small Y. Money. Small Y is in money. Small Z. Pizza. Small Z in pizza.
In our channel, we upload Tamil எழுத்துக்கள், bedtime stories, preschool learning topics, drawings regularly. Link is in description and we hope it will be very useful for your kids. Thank you so much. நீங்கள் பண்ணுற ஒவ்வொரு சப்ஸ்கிரைப், லைக், ஷேர் எல்லாமே எனக்கு மிகப்பெரிய மோட்டிவேஷன். ப்ளீஸ் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் அண்ட் தேங்க்யூ.